Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys, how can we delete fingerprint data in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to delete guys your phone fingerprint data guys, you don't want to use, so how can you delete? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we delete Infinix phone guys phone fingerprint data. Open your phone setting guys and guys search here guys fingerprint setting. So we will search here guys fingerprint setting. Hence you can see fingerprint lock guys, tap here. So guys direct guys we can delete from here. So guys enter your password guys, and first you can see fingerprint guys. You want to add any fingerprint, so guys you can add from here. Guys fingerprint setting, tap here. So friends you can see your rename option. So friends you want to rename guys your fingerprint lock, so guys you can rename from here if you want. So friends you can see delete option guys, tap here to delete guys your fingerprint data guys. If we want to use, so we will have to guys again setup. So like that we will delete it. So as you can see we don't have any fingerprint setting, means we don't have any fingerprint lock, and we cannot use guys this setting. If you want to use guys this setting, you will have to set up again your fingerprint lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.